Begin by placing the metal clips on both side panels of the cabinet. Then take the face frame and place a bead of glue in the grooves. Place the side panels of the cabinet into the grooves of the face frame. Fasten them down using the metal clips. Now slide the top and bottom panels into place using the grooves on the side panels. Set the back panel of your cabinet into place. Make sure it fits flush to the cabinet. Fasten it down using large screws in the designated screw holes. Fasten the side walls to the back panel of the cabinet using the metal clips on the inside of the cabinet. Place all the shelf clips on the inside of the cabinet. Next, place the shelves in place and press them down until they click into place. Place the door face down and set each hinge into place. Line up the corresponding screw holes on the door with the corresponding holes on the hinge. Secure the hinges to the door with 2 medium screws per hinge. Line up the corresponding holes on the hinges with the corresponding holes on the face frame and fasten them down using 1 large screw each.